So here we are on the third stage of our thing. We have already planted, you can see the potatoes. The first layer was of first organic compost. The second layer is from our ordinary garden soil, which collected under from a tree where there were a lot of earthworms. So just to add some humic acid into it, I collected 1 gallon of dirt from for each bucket, and the second layer is of for the garden soil. The third one is another organic, supposedly some cow manure soil, and I actually really like this brand, so I'm topping it off with this one. And we don't plan to water them, just leave it for there's enough moisture in the soil itself, and we're expecting some rain this week on and off, so let's see.